Man, oh man, you're going to love this one. So, Plano, Texas was just hit with a very substantial winter storm. And they get a call about a gentleman walking down the street in a pair of shorts and a t-shirt. Keep in mind that while that man may be cold, he is not breaking the law. So they're going to do a welfare check on him. And we know what happens when police do welfare checks on people. So they show up, and I'm going to go into the video here. They show up and try to get the guy to stop and talk to them. Now, the description they got is the guy is wearing shorts and a t-shirt. When they get there, they find the guy carrying a bag from the grocery store, wearing long pants, but he does have a t-shirt on. So now they're going to use that as a pretext to stop him. Even though there's nothing criminal about it. I know people that we just had this winter storm here in Houston that were running around in shorts and t-shirt. It's not a crime. Different people have different tolerances for cold or heat or whatever. But the guy is really just, I'm sure he's cold, and he's trying to get home where it's warm. And he is literally just, 30 seconds from his front door. That's when the police show up. So here we go with that.
Dude, stop. We're trying to help you.
Hey, man. Whoop. You trying to get home? Are you trying to get home? You sure? You need a ride somewhere? Hey, look, we just want to make sure you're all right. We just want to make sure you're all right.
Come here.
Sir, you need to talk to us, okay? Sir.
I'm good, bro.
Can you calm down? All right? Sir.
Now, I'm going to interject here. You see they are forcefully stopping him. What you don't see in the video, they say that they are stopping him because he was in the roadway. All right, the roadway is obscured. You can't tell where the roadway is. But if you watch the body cam footage, and I'll link it in the description, from the very start, what he's doing is crossing the road from what appears to be a sidewalk to another sidewalk. Okay, he is between two corners crossing over when they spot him. They say that's walking in the roadway. It's not. And they were nice enough to use that as a pretext to force him to stop. And when he's like, man, I'm just a couple of doors from my house, I'm going home. Well, you know how that ends.
Sir, look, we just want to talk to you.
Oh,
all right?
Good. I'm on the way home. I'm straight.
Okay.
Where the fuck I'm going?
Okay, but you're walking in the middle of the road.
I understand that. My bad. I'm not in the middle of it.
We just trying to figure out where you're going.
Home. I just said that.
Oop.
Whoa, you okay, dude?
Watch out, man.
Where's home at?
Do you want us to just give you a ride?
No, I'm good. I do this every night, literally. I'm straight.
Okay. You ain't cold or nothing?
No.
With that cheap shirt on?
I'm good.
What's your name, man? Huh?
I don't know.
You don't know? Can you just stop and talk to us for a minute? Do you mind? Do you mind just talking to us for a minute? Just talk to us for a minute. Just talk to us for a minute.
I ain't gonna put my hand on a female. Please don't touch me.
Okay. I'm just trying to get your attention, okay? We're just trying to make sure you're okay.
Don't touch me.
We're trying to make sure you're okay. We're trying to make sure you're okay. Sir?
No, what?
We're trying.
No, what?
We're doing an investigation.
I don't care. I'm going home.
You were officially detained.
No.
Yes.
And so, I'm going to stop right there. I'll let you guys, if you want to see the rest of it, you can go to the link in the description and watch it. That channel can really use the views, I'm sure. But basically, they forcefully arrest the guy, and then they were nice enough to just charge him with crossing the street illegally, walking in the roadway, which under the circumstances isn't a crime. But the police department put out a statement, and I'll put that statement in the description as well, saying that, these officers were so good to this man, they only wrote him a ticket for being in the roadway, which won't even hold up in court. they're just trying to cover their butts in case he decides to sue. Never call the police for a welfare check on somebody. You will get them hurt. You cannot trust the police. You cannot trust the police. In situations like this, call the fire department. Or better yet, mind your own business. If he's not breaking the law, leave him alone. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you again soon.